I walk to the shop. The shop is in the city. I see a big wooden door. I open the heavy door. A small bell rings loudly. The shop is very quiet. I smell old wood and tea. The walls are very high. I see many rolls of silk. The silk is very colorful. An old man stands there. His name is Mr. Finch. He has very white hair. He wears a gray vest. He has a kind smile. He looks at my face. I feel a bit nervous. I say hello to him. My name is Sophie. I am a young woman. I am getting married soon. I need a wedding dress. The wedding is in June. June is a warm month. Mr. Finch nods his head. He says, "Welcome to Sophie." He is a famous tailor. I trust his long experience. The shop feels very safe. We are ready to work. Mr. Finch opens a box. He shows me some lace. The lace is very white. It has a beautiful pattern. I touch the soft fabric. Feels like a cloud. I see some shiny satin. Satin is too bright today. I want a classic style. He shows me ivory silk. Ivory is a warm color. It looks like rich cream. I like this ivory silk. It is perfect for me. This fabric is from Italy. It is very high quality. I look at the textures. Some are smooth and thin. Some are thick and strong. I choose the ivory silk. I also choose the lace. They look good together. Mr. Finch is very happy. He says I have taste. I am very proud now. We look at the rolls. We need many meters. The dress will be long. I feel like a princess. This fabric is my dream.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.
I stand on the wooden platform. The platform is near the window. I see a big triptych mirror. I see my face and hair. I must stand very, very straight. I put my arms out wide. Mr. Finch takes his measuring tape. The tape is long and yellow. It has many small black numbers. He starts at my high shoulders. He is very quiet and focused. He measures my neck very carefully. The tape is a little cold. It tickles my skin and neck. I laugh a little bit today. Mr. Finch tells me to breathe. I take a very deep breath. He measures my chest and back. He moves to my small waist. He writes in a green book. The book has many old pages. He uses a sharp black pencil. Every number is very important here. I want a very perfect fit. I want to dance all night. I must be very comfortable indeed. He measures my long arm length. He measures from shoulder to wrist. I wear my tall wedding shoes. The shoes are white and pretty. He measures the total dress height. The dress will touch the floor. He checks the numbers 2 times. He wants to be very precise. I stay still like a statue. My legs feel a little tired. He finishes the last measurement soon. I step off the wooden platform. The measurement part is finally over. I feel like a real bride. We walk to the big table. A large sketchbook is there. The cover is made of leather. Mr. Finch opens a new page. The paper is white and clean. He takes a professional drawing pencil. He draws a very long line. He draws a beautiful wedding dress. I watch his very steady hand. The dress has very small sleeves. They look like soft butterfly wings. I love the high royal collar. It looks very elegant and classic. I want the waist a bit higher. I tell him my personal idea. He nods and he smiles kindly. He changes the sketch on paper. He uses a small gray eraser. Now I look very, very tall. The drawing is very pretty now. I see many small silk buttons. They are on the dress back. I see the very long train. The train is for the church. It will look like a river. I feel very emotional and happy. This is my dream wedding dress. I can see my happy future. Mr. Finch is a true artist. He draws with much love today. I am very lucky to be here. The sketch is almost finished now. He adds some small flower details. The flowers are made of lace. The drawing looks very real now. I want to touch the paper. He closes the pencil box slowly. I keep the image in my mind. My heart is very full today. The design is finally perfect now. We look at many small swatches. A swatch is a fabric sample. I see many shades of white. One shade is called soft blush. It is a very light pink. Feels very romantic in here. We choose the blush silk lining. It matches the ivory lace well. Now we look at the thread. The thread is made of silk. He shows me a blue thread. Blue is for very good luck. It is a little secret thread. He sews it inside the hem. No one can see the blue. I love this very old tradition. I also see small white pearls. They are very round and shiny. They will be on the top. My mother loves white pearls much. I want to honor her today. Mr. Finch understands my kind heart. He puts all samples together now. The colors look very beautiful together. I touch the tiny glass beads. They feel very smooth and cold. Everything is ready for the sewing. I feel very calm and happy. He is a master tailor indeed. He knows every very small detail. We check the colors in sunlight. The sunlight comes through the window. The ivory looks like warm cream. The blush looks like a rose. I am very happy with this. My palette is now complete today. He puts the samples in a bag. The bag has my name on it. I am ready for the contract. Everything is perfect for my wedding. The meeting is nearly over now. Mr. Finch has a white paper. It is the official work order. I read the whole page slowly. I see the price of silk. I see the price of lace. The total cost is very fair. He works very hard for me. Quality work takes a long time. I take my black ink pen. I write my name very slowly. Sophie is now a real client. I am a lucky Finch bride. That is a very special name. I give him a bank check. He puts it in a drawer. The drawer is made of wood. He will start the work tomorrow. He will sew every single day. I will come back very soon. I must wait for 1 month. 1 month is 4 long weeks. I will dream of white silk. I will dream of delicate lace. I say thank you very much. He tips his small silver cap. He opens the shop door for me. I walk to the exit now. The bell rings one last time. I walk into the bright sun. The street is very busy today. I am a very happy woman. My dress is coming very soon. I will tell my best friend. She will be very happy too. June will be a great month. I feel like I can fly. Life is very good to me. Thank you for the perfect day. The mission is complete for now.